So this is ultra wide, and then I'm gonna zoom to normal, and then I'm gonna zoom in more and more and more. This is a 10 times zoom all the way up to the top of the Q1, and that's pretty damn sick. Hey guys, this is an exciting moment for me. I'm officially ditching my Samsung Galaxy S9. I'm finally upgrading it, and I'm doing it to Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And I'm going to be giving you the official unboxing, the Australian edition of the Note 10 Plus, the Exynos edition. I've been using Exynos for 3 generations now. This is the S7, the S9, and I'm excited to see what you get in the box and how it performs. So join me on this adventure. In case you don't know, Samsung over here in Australia, they're not like Apple. They don't accept returns. So once you open the box, that's it, you're set for life. You can only return it under Australian consumer law, where if there's a manufacturing defect, that kind of stuff. So inside a brown box, I was expecting something more impressive, but you know, I got this on student discount, so I got this very, very cheap, half the price of an iPhone 11 Plus. I was gonna get an iPhone this year. However, I changed my mind after the presentation. I can't live with Face Unlock. I need Touch ID. Oh la la, what is this? Oh la la, Note 10 Plus. It is sealed, super fast charging, ultrasonic fingerprint reader, an S Pen. By the way, I got the black edition because the flamboyant silver one, it looks alright, it's kind of nice, but the S Pen they give you is purple. I'm a man. How am I gonna keep my reputation? Purple. People make fun of me. I'm Egyptian, man. I won't be let back into the country. They'll arrest me, throw me in prison for having a purple S Pen. They'll be like, mate, that means what are you gonna do with that? Officially, look, I'm gonna break the seal. This cost me 1,189 Australian dollars, which I guess in your currency is nothing, but it's a lot of money for me. You know, YouTube don't pay that much. There you go, look at that. There's actually a beautiful pen kind of insignia on it. And there's only one way to unbox this. And I'm not gonna try peeling it. It's gonna look ugly if I do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just rip it open. Look at that. Oh, it's ripped open, my friends. It's opening up. It feels like a MacBook Pro, I swear. Slowly unboxing. Oh, okay. The phone is just there, but I noticed that there is something above it. Okay, there it is. So you get a pin and you get a case. Oh, my days. Australia. Australia, Australia, for we are young and free. Check it out. The Australian edition of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, just like the Samsung Galaxy S9, it comes with a free case. Now, I've already ordered a case on eBay, so it's always good because with clear cases, after about a year, they turn a bit yellow. There's a yellow tinge to it. So it's always good having multiple cases, but it's really safe that you get a free case of it. And look at this gigantic, beautiful, slick, beautiful phone. Oh my God. Ah, you know, I have wanted a bigger phone for such a long time now. And finally, look at that. It looks gorgeous. This is the S9 and this is the Note 10 Plus. It looks like the future. It's like a slab just in your hand. It is a bit weighty, but I'll let you guys know something. The iPhone 11 Pro Plus Max edition, the big one, is actually heavier than one of these. So this, you're getting a lot more tech inside it, and it's cheaper and it's lighter. Anyway, let me just show you how it compares to an S7. This is the S7, your baby best friend. This is the S9. The S9 looks gorgeous. You know, I'll take the S9 out of the case just to give you a little demonstration of what it looks like. Open it like that. It's like a brand new phone. Like it's like a big brother. Now I'm excited because I wanted a bigger phone for a long time. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, to be honest, I'm gonna rip this open. And it's not black. I gotta say, okay, it's black, but there's a slight bluish, like navy blue tinge to it. I've been speaking to my mate Talio, and he has been devastated that he had to order a black one. He's actually been calling it very dark brown just to get himself over. He's a bit racist when it comes to phones. But I gotta tell you, mate, it's actually a bit slightly blue. Or maybe it's just, you know, forget that. It's probably black. I'm gonna put it in the case first thing because I do not want to damage this at all. And the case, it's a tight squeeze, to be honest. Look at that. You get a brand new case with the phone. And it fits. And it looks gorgeous. And do you get a free case with an iPhone? No, you don't. You have to pay $60 for a case. I myself just went on eBay and got myself a $5 case. So that's going to be what I'm using for my iPhone, my wife's iPhone. But a brand new case. Look at that. Australia, awesome. Let's see how it compares to the Note, to the S9 with a case. It's like a really gigantic phone. And I'll tell you something interesting. I actually paid less for this phone than I did for this phone. This one I paid $1,349. This one I paid $1,189. So in about a year and a half, I feel like I've got some amazing tech. Now, I didn't get the 5G edition because some of my mates over in Brisbane, they say the 5G edition, when they have it turned on, it just eats up 40% of your battery life because it's constantly switching between antennas and signals, and 5G just seems like a mess this generation. So I recommend, if you want a happy life, probably wait until the next generation where they make the modem at least better, because the modem it uses for 5G is 10 nanometer, but the chip that you use for 4G is 7 nanometer, so more power efficient. Okay, what else is inside the box? You get a charger. Now this is a good fast charging charger, and I'm actually excited about this because the S9, it gave me a fast charger, but not as fast as this one. So this one I'll be able to charge up other devices, for example, maybe my MacBook Pro, or more importantly, my battery power bank. Also get inside here, I think this is a USB-C to USB-A. Look at that, USB-C to USB-A for free. They give it to you. Like Apple, they charge you like $10 for one of these, but Samsung, they just give it to you for free. Beautiful. What else do you get in here? There is actually something in here, and I don't know what this is. What the hell is this? This is what is? You get little nibs. I think this is for the S Pen. I think you can replace the nibs of your S Pen. So this is going to be quite useful. I know an Apple Pencil, you get that, you get no replacements. If you break it, it's broken for life. Whereas with the S Pen, you get these replacements, but they're very hard to, that's going to be very useful if my S Pen does break down over time, and you can choose between a black one and a white one. So that's pretty safe. You know, I don't usually publish unboxings, but I've learned quite a bit from this unboxing, so I think I'm going to publish this because all the other unboxings I've seen on the internet, they just rush through it and you don't actually know what you get. So next up, I'm going to be exploring this, and this is a USB cable, and it's USB-C to USB-C, and it's about 1 meter in length, USB-C to USB-C, and it's this will go very nicely with this fast charger. Boom, shakalaka. And now the pièce de résistance, well, not really, but you get headphones. And in case you don't know, the Note 10 Plus, they've gotten rid of the headphone jack, so you're officially going to be needing this headphone to use it. Now there you go, you just need to nip it in there, then you can open it without damaging your brand new headphones. And I gotta say, these are monstrous headstones, but they look like they really stick inside your ears. Look at that weird AKG designed. And open it up like that. You got replacement ear sizes. So you got big ones and small ones, and I guess they put medium on by default. And the cable, it feels like cloth, so I think it'll be really good for not getting tangled. You got little pieces of plastic to peel off. It doesn't say which is left and which is right, but I'm gonna just go with this way. Oh, it does cancel out a bit of the noise. It feels really nice in my ear. It makes my voice sound really deep when I'm listening to it, like, because it's blocked off. Oh, it feels really comfortable. Like, I've been using the S7 headphones, and those ones aren't as nice as these ones. The sound isn't even on, but like, I feel like this nice masculine echo coming out from my voice. It feels really, really good and very, very comfortable in my ear. I'm gonna have to, whoa, my voice does not sound, yuck, earwax. All right, cleans out your ears, and that's it. That's everything you get in the box. All right, there it is, the brand new S10 Plus. I'm gonna see if I can turn it on. Power button is on the left. And you gotta hold it down for about 10 seconds. There it is, it's up and running. Secured by Knox Power. powered by Android Note 10 Plus. Takes you to accessibility to start off with. I don't know why. Let's go, Australia. You gotta accept the E or LU, privacy. You know, I don't want to accept any of these. Do I have to? All right, you need to accept the EUL agreement and the privacy policy. You don't need to send diagnostic data, and you don't need to send receipts. Next, how do you want to connect? So I'm going to skip this for now. And then I guess let's skip Wi-Fi. Google services allow apps and services to scan for Wi-Fi networks. Nope. Use location, fine. Send diagnostic data, off. Install updates and apps. Accept. How do you want to set up? I'm going to try the fingerprint reader. I've been excited to use this. I've been using the S9, and you've always got to use the back part. It's very annoying when you have your phone stationary, and it's very annoying when you're driving. So I'm going to see how good this fingerprint reader is. So to use fingerprints, you need to set a pin. Where do I put it? Okay, it tells you exactly where you're supposed to put it. Okay, this is a lot slower than an iOS device. I know the MacBook Pro has an amazing fingerprint reader, and the iPhone used to have an amazing fingerprint reader. But it's pretty much the same. Reminds me of the S7. I mean, it kind of tells you where to place it, okay? Samsung account, skip. Skip out of all of these amazing Bixby. There's no more Bixby button. All done, finish. I'm set, I'm alive. Let's see how bright this screen gets. Look at that. So can you tell a difference in brightness? They look kind of like the same, but apparently this one goes 1,200 nits. So that's like amazing. All right, that was the unboxing of the Note 10 Plus. I'm now gonna customize the hell out of it and see how the camera. Let's look at the camera. How good is the camera? Oh my God, I've been waiting for this. I may be biased, but it looks better on the Note 10 Plus. Just take a look for yourself. It's like brighter. This has actually got the highest score in DxOMark for front-facing and back-facing camera. Live focus. Oh, look at that. I got a depth camera, a telephoto. I've got an ultra-wide. Let's see how ultra-wide looks like. Fit everything in frame. Feels like a GoPro. That's awesome. Normal telephoto with bokeh. All right, I'm happy. Like, I'm really happy actually. It's cheaper than my S9, and I'm excited to test it out. All right, what do you guys think of the amazing unboxing that you've just witnessed? I think I've got an amazing deal. I've got a case, I've got all these USBs, I've got all these accessories that I wouldn't get with an iPhone, and I even got one of these S Pens. Look at that, S Pen. It comes with a case. Can you believe it?